Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. Today we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you think about muscle building snacks. If you're on a quest to pack on some serious muscle, you probably have your go-to protein bars and shakes. But what if I told you there's a secret snack that you might not be aware of, one that can supercharge your muscle growth and recovery? In this video, we will explore this unexpected snack that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support muscle development. We'll break down the science behind why this snack is effective, how it fits into your overall diet, and when the best times are to enjoy it for maximum benefits. Get ready to discover how something as simple as this snack can make a significant difference in your fitness journey. We'll also share some easy recipes and tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine, ensuring you never get bored with your diet. So, whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out, this video is designed to be engaging and informative, providing you with valuable insights that can elevate your muscle building game. Stick around, because you will not want to miss out on this game-changing snack that could be the missing piece in your nutrition puzzle. Let's get started. Understanding muscle building nutrition. When it comes to building muscle, nutrition plays a pivotal role that often gets overlooked. It's not just about hitting the gym. What you fuel your body with is equally important. Protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats are the three key macronutrients that work together to support muscle recovery and growth. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscle fibers after workouts, while carbohydrates provide the energy needed to power through intense training sessions. Healthy fats, on the other hand, help with hormone production and overall health, which are crucial for muscle development. Snacks can be a game changer in your muscle building journey. They serve as a bridge between meals, ensuring that your body has a steady supply of nutrients throughout the day. This is where the concept of nutrient timing comes into play. Consuming the right snacks at strategic times can enhance your muscle building efforts. For instance, having a protein-rich snack post-workout can kickstart recovery, while a balanced snack before training can provide the energy needed for optimal performance. In this section, we will delve deeper into how to choose the right snacks that complement your meals and fit into your overall nutrition strategy. By understanding the importance of these macronutrients and the timing of your snacks, you can maximize your muscle growth and recovery, setting yourself up for success in the gym and beyond. Let's explore how to make the most of your nutrition for those gains. The secret snack revealed. Now, let's unveil the secret snack that can significantly boost your muscle building efforts. Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of nuts and berries. This delicious and versatile snack is not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients that support muscle growth and recovery. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, offering about 15 to 20 grams per serving, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair. It also contains probiotics, which promote gut health, an often overlooked aspect of overall wellness. When you add a handful of nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, you introduce healthy fats and additional protein, enhancing the snack's nutritional profile. Nuts are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support recovery. Toss in some fresh berries and you get a dose of antioxidants and carbohydrates, which are essential for replenishing energy stores after workouts. So why is this snack often overlooked in muscle building diets? Many people tend to gravitate towards traditional protein bars or shakes, thinking they are the only options for muscle recovery. However, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries offers a more natural and wholesome alternative. free from artificial ingredients and added sugars commonly found in processed snacks. Unique benefits of this snack include its versatility. You can customize it with different fruits or toppings to keep things interesting. Plus, it's a great option for any time of day, whether as a post-workout recovery snack or a satisfying treat between meals. Give it a try and you might just find your new favorite muscle building snack. How to incorporate this snack into your diet. Now that you know about the incredible benefits of Greek yogurt with nuts and berries, let's explore some practical tips on how to seamlessly incorporate this snack into your daily meals. One of the easiest ways to enjoy this snack is to prepare it as a quick breakfast. Simply mix a serving of Greek yogurt with a handful of your favorite nuts and top it off with fresh berries. This combination not only provides a great start to your day, but also fuels your morning workout. For a post-workout recovery option, consider blending Greek yogurt with a banana and a scoop of protein powder to create a delicious smoothie. This not only enhances the protein content, but also adds extra carbohydrates for energy replenishment. You can even freeze this smoothie in popsicle molds for a refreshing treat on hot days. Pairing this snack with other foods can also enhance its nutritional value. For instance, enjoy it alongside whole grain toast or oatmeal for added fiber and complex carbohydrates. You can also sprinkle some chia seeds or flax seeds on top for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavors and textures. Try adding a drizzle of honey or a dash of cinnamon for added sweetness, or mix in some granola for crunch. The versatility of this snack makes it easy to fit into your meal planning. So get creative and discover what combinations work best for you. With a little experimentation, you will find that Greek yogurt with nuts and berries can become a staple in your muscle building diet. Real life success stories. Let's take a moment to highlight some inspiring real life success stories from individuals who have incorporated Greek yogurt with nuts and berries into their muscle building routines. Meet Sarah, a dedicated fitness enthusiast who struggled to find a post-workout snack that was both nutritious and satisfying. After adding this snack to her regimen, she noticed a significant improvement in her recovery time and energy levels. Within just a few weeks, Sarah was able to increase her lifting weights by 15%, attributing her gains to the protein-packed yogurt and healthy fats from the nuts. Then there's Mike, a competitive athlete who was looking for ways to enhance his performance. He started including Greek yogurt with nuts and berries as part of his daily diet. Not only did he enjoy the taste, but he also experienced a boost in his endurance during training sessions. After a month of consistent snacking, Mike reported a 20% increase in his overall stamina, allowing him to push through longer workouts and achieve personal bests. These stories illustrate how simple dietary changes can lead to remarkable results. By incorporating this nutrient-dense snack, both Sarah and Mike found a delicious way to support their fitness goals. We encourage you to relate to these success stories and envision your own journey. Imagine how adding Greek yogurt with nuts and berries could enhance your muscle building efforts and overall health. With dedication and the right nutrition, you too can achieve your fitness aspirations and enjoy the benefits of this powerful snack. The key points we've discussed about the secret snack that can elevate your muscle building journey. Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. This nutrient-dense snack is not only rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, but it also offers a delicious way to support muscle recovery and growth. By incorporating this snack into your daily routine, you can enhance your performance and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Remember, nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle building, and snacks like this one can complement your meals for optimal results. The combination of Greek yogurt, nuts, and berries provides a balanced mix of macronutrients that fuels your body and aids in recovery. Don't forget the importance of nutrient timing. Enjoying this snack at strategic moments can make a significant difference in your progress. We hope you feel inspired to try this snack and experiment with different variations to find what works best for you. Please subscribe for more tips and insights on nutrition and fitness. Like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with friends who might benefit from these ideas. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.